Hey you guys, and welcome back to another video with DIYs by Carolina. I hope you guys are doing well and having an amazing Sunday. So y'all, it is time for us to welcome in the fall season. I don't know about y'all, but I am ready. Alright y'all, so in today's video, I am actually going to be taking just a little break from landscaping and the yards and everything, because I really want to go ahead and catch up on my fall decor. Tomorrow, Monday, is the first official day of fall. So excited. So I'm going to go ahead and start off this fall season with decorating my front porch, and then of course I'll be moving on into the inside of my home. But anyway, just want to go ahead and show you guys what that area looks like at the moment. I really didn't do anything too much to it since the last time I did the little herringbone stencil. So I didn't do anything to it since then, but I do have to go ahead and finish up that little area by the door. Then we're going to go ahead and just get the front porch decorated for the fall to welcome in the fall season. Let me go ahead and show you guys what that space looks like at the moment, and just kind of tell you guys what I am planning to do. All right, y'all, so here is a quick look at the front porch space. Just want to show you guys what this area looks like. You guys may recall the last time we were out here, we stenciled the step, and there's still that space over there by the door that I still have to stencil, or just create like a black border. And if I'm being completely honest, y'all, I'm not 100% sure I want to keep this design on the step. Yeah, I'm still not 100% sure about it, but let me just show you guys what that area looks like that I'm going to be quickly painting. So just this little area right here by the front door. So just have to go over that and tape it up and put some paint down on here. So yeah, that's where I'm at with that. Just wanted to show you guys what that space looks like. And we're gonna go ahead and get started with decorating it. Oh my goodness, not sure what I want to do with the stencil, y'all. I don't know, I might keep it. I might just keep it. It might look better after I add that black border right here. But right now I'm just not, I like it, but I'm not loving it. And y'all, I need to love it. So anyway, that's what the space looks like. So let's go ahead and get started. So just to let y'all know, I haven't sealed the steps yet. Normally whenever you paint the concrete, you want to seal it. I haven't done that portion yet because I'm still undecided on whether or not if I want to keep that design or even that color. So we'll see how things go. But anyway, let's go ahead and get started with painting that border. So what I'm about to do right now is to freshen up around my storm door, the metal portion of it, with some WD-40. If you've been following me for a minute, you pretty much know that I love to use WD-40 on all of my outdoor black metal decor because it freshens it and revives it and just makes it look so much nicer. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. So here's a look at the plants I'm going to be using. So I got these gorgeous petunias from Home Depot. You can see they have various colors in them. They have a little bit of white, a little bit of yellow, and then this gorgeous fall kind of orangey color. And so I think this is so super cute. And these were about $30. They're so huge, and this is the pot that they come in. So I have 2 of these, and what I want to do is I want to add another plant in it that's going to give it just a little bit more height. So I'll show you what I'm going to be using in these plants. So I have these beautiful sort of burgundy plants here. I got these from Lowe's. And I'm going to be putting these in the center of the petunias, like so. But hopefully you guys can kind of get an idea of what it'll look like. Oh, it keeps falling over. But anyway, I'm doing this just to kind of give the planter just a little bit of height. I think that's going to look cute once I've done it. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that right quickly. All right, you guys, so before the final reveal, let's take a look back and be reminded as to what this front porch area used to look like before we basically painted the border by the door. You guys may recall I still needed to do that. Also, I wanted to refresh this space, and more importantly, you guys, I wanted to bring in my fall decor to welcome in the fall season. So now let's take a look at the final reveal. guys so much for tuning in. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And if you are new to this channel and visiting for the first time, welcome. My name is Carolina, and if you enjoyed this type of content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss a beat every time I post a new video. In the meantime, happy fall to everyone, and I will see you guys really soon in my next video. Bye now.